Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is April 14th, 2025, and we're taking a look at Litecoin, ticker symbol CUSD. We will be diving into both the news surrounding Litecoin as well as some in-depth chart analysis. There's been a lot of talk about Litecoin ETFs and how their potential approval might impact the price. We will take a look at that. According to recent news, analysts rank Litecoin as the most likely candidate for ETF approval. We've also seen Hashdex make a move to add Litecoin to their ETF after XRP Spot ETF approval. But before we get too excited, there's a headline mentioning a potential Litecoin price crash despite rising whale activity. So, what does the chart tell us? Let's switch to the daily chart to get a broader perspective. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the recent volatility. LTC dipped considerably, down to near 70. We can see some recovery today, trading near 77.40. Let's zoom into a more recent section of the chart. We can see a large drop in early April from around 100 to 86. Then an even larger drop, down to 70. It seems to be recovering somewhat since then. Given the recent volatility and the ETF speculation, what should we be looking for? Well, support around $70 seems critical in the short term. If the price breaks below this, we could see further downside. Resistance is likely around $86. A sustained break above this level could signal a bullish reversal, especially with positive ETF news. Let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to look at intraday action. On the 1-hour chart, we can see that the recovery today actually looks like a dead cat bounce. Let's see if it holds or not. If the one-day support of 70 breaks, we should expect to see a retest of the 60 range. If we break above 86 and sustain it, then we could easily retest 90 and 100 again. That being said, without ETF news, there's no particular fundamental reason to go long on Litecoin right now. It is what Satoshi envisioned, according to a Reddit post, so the long-term prospects remain high. But in the short term and medium term, caution is recommended.